The Enchanted Kingdom Chronicles. Once upon a time, in the beautiful land of Viridian, a prince named Ethan and a princess named Amelia were born to King William and Queen Isabella. The kingdom rejoiced, for the birth of these twins brought great joy and hope. As the years passed, Prince Ethan and Princess Amelia grew up in the magnificent castle of Viridian. They received the finest education and were taught about the virtues of kindness, bravery, and justice. They developed a strong bond, always looking out for each other. One day, while exploring the castle's library, Prince Ethan stumbled upon an old, dusty map. It depicted a hidden treasure that was said to possess magical powers. Intrigued by the possibilities, Ethan and Amelia embarked on a quest to find the treasure, guided by the clues on the map. The first clue led the siblings to the mystical, enchanted forest. They encountered talking animals, fairies, and encountered challenges along the way. With their wits and teamwork, they overcame each obstacle and moved closer to the treasure. Deep within the enchanted forest stood the Tower of Secrets. Legend had it that the tower held the final clue to the treasure's location. Ethan and Amelia faced magical puzzles and riddles, which they solved with their intelligence and determination, unraveling the tower's secrets. At the top of the tower, Ethan and Amelia discovered the magic amulet, the key to unlocking the treasure's power. As they touched the amulet, a surge of energy passed through their bodies, granting them the ability to communicate with animals and control elements like water, fire, and wind. Armed with their newfound powers, the prince and princess returned to Viridian. They learned that an evil sorcerer named Malachi had threatened the kingdom. With their courage and the support of loyal friends, they led the charge to protect Viridian, using their powers to defeat Malachi's dark forces. As the kingdom celebrated their victory, Ethan and Amelia realized that true power lies in friendship and unity. They encouraged the people of Viridian to come together, spreading kindness and compassion throughout the land. Their acts of goodwill brought prosperity and harmony to the kingdom.
Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye-bye.